The Internet in Myanmar has been available since 2000 when the first Internet connections were established. Beginning in September 2011, the historically pervasive levels of Internet censorship in Burma were significantly reduced. Prior to September 2011, the military government worked aggressively to limit and control Internet access through software-based censorship, infrastructure and technical constraints, and laws and regulations with large fines and lengthy prison sentences for violators. In 2015, the Internet users significantly increased to 12.6% with the introduction of faster mobile 3G Internet by transnational telecommunication companies, Telenor Myanmar and Ooredoo Myanmar, and later joined by National Myanmar Post and Telecommunications. While the Internet situation in Myanmar has constantly been evolving since its introduction in 2010, and reduction of censorship in 2011, laws such as the 2013 Telecommunications Law continued to restrict citizens from total freedom online. Despite restrictions, Internet penetration continues to grow across the country. After February 1, 2021, social media networks such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. was banned by the military coup. Internet are being cut off 1 a.m. to 9 a.m. every day. Begins March 15, 2021. The military cut off the Internet all time. Myanmar's top-level domain is Yatanapong Teleport 5BB broadband satellite internet provider Skynet, the state-owned Myanmar Post and Telecommunication, We Link Myanmar, Myanmar Net, Myanmar SpeedNet, AGB Communication, Fortune Broadband and Kinetic Myanmar Technology are the internet service providers in Yangon and Mandalay. Before the democratization in 2011, Internet cafes were common access center for Internet users in the country and most used different pieces of software to bypass the government's proxy servers. The popularity of Internet cafes declined with the emergence of cheap mobile Internet with a improvement in telecommunication infrastructure following the liberalization. However, they are still widely present, especially in Yangon and Mandalay, and are used extensively for blogging and other activities. Internet on mobile devices are widely used today. The Internet access for home use in other towns except Yangon and Mandalay is only available through ADSL technology provided by MPT. However, the pricing is prohibitively expensive for most customers. For ADSL, MPT's fixed line phone without a CPE annual fee is 50,000 Myanmar kyat and fee for 2.5 megabits per second is 80,000 Myanmar kyat. FTTH Internet is not available in towns. Myanmar has a very low Internet penetration rate due to government restrictions on pricing and deliberate lack of facilities and infrastructure. According to World Internet Stats statistics as of June 2012, the country had over 534,930 Internet users, with the vast majority of the users hailing from the two largest cities, Yangon and Mandalay. Although 42 cities across the country have access to the Internet, the number of users outside Yangon and Mandalay is just over 10,000. In 2012, most of the country's 40,000 Internet connections were ADSL circuits, followed by dial-up, satellite terminal, and WiMAX. MPT is also undertaking a trial of fiber to the home in Mandalay, and plans to roll out a similar trial in Yangon. On the 22nd of July 2015, the CEO of Telenor Myanmar announced that 55% of Telenor's 10 million mobile subscribers were data users, increasing the low estimate of internet users in Myanmar to at least 5.5 million. Internet World Statistics reported in November 2015 that penetration was 12.6%. As of the 30th of June 2017, Myanmar has 13,747,506 internet users, 25.1% population penetration, and 11 million Facebook users. With the growth of internet use in Myanmar and opening of telecommunications, the price of SIM cards is decreasing, going from approximately 245,000 kyats. Mobile Media and Communication found that Myanmar people are willing to pay for mobiles, with over 18.1 million active SIM cards. With diverse geography of Myanmar, having VSAT providers is a natural thing. While IP star services were being delivered earlier, now few of the commercial VSAT service providers has emerged in 2016-2017. Below is the list. SEANET, leading VSAT services provide with complete suites of services and teleport right within Yangon. Amid the growth of internet access across the country, ACM Computers and Society found that the Burmese text font Zogyi may impede the digital potential of the country. Zogyi, considered the most widely used font throughout Myanmar, is not Unicode, meaning that it does not use an intelligent rendering engine to make sure each script element has one and only one code point. This can stop websites with Zogyi from being accessible from other countries or people using Unicode. ACM Computers and Society also claimed that Zogyi has difficulty typing certain ethnic languages of Myanmar, meaning that Myanmar's ethnic languages cannot be represented or coexist with Burmese language.